Hello my friends, welcome to the Electronic channel, this is Uncle Misha. There we have yet another cassette player. This time it is Sony WM-FX190. It's in a bit of a used up shape, but at least it's not broken or anything. Everything is stays at place, and obviously it's not working, so let's put some batteries in and see what's the problem and if we can fix it. Yeah. It sort of rotates, but kind of barely. Yeah, okay, we have some kind of problem. So let's take a look what's going on, take a peek what's inside. Looks like this typical construction of Sony's of that time. Right, we need something more beefier. Okay, that's too beefy apparently. Let's try this. What's going on? Wow, okay, we have to use this screwdriver then. It's not cooperating. I don't believe self-topper can be that hard to remove from the... Hope not stripping my favorite screwdriver. What's going on? That's super stuck. Alright, how about this side? Very secure, I must say. Okay. Looks like in addition to everything, you're gonna have a bunch of clips, which I hate. Oh, I hate these clips. Wow, this guy turned out to be pretty stubborn, but like, yeah, it's a whole bunch of clips on the perimeter here. Whoa, turned out to be there are also latches inside here, which has to be pressed. Fuck. Sorry for swearing here. Whoa, take a look at this. This is not like simplest motor you can get. This is not like simple DC motor, this is actually a brushless one. It's not the worst. Well, actually, belt is here, what the hell? Belt is present, maybe it's very... yeah, it's... okay, it's floppy. Floppy as it can be. Yeah, okay. So belt is super floppy, but... is this holding this thing? Yes. Oh wow. Everything is very stiff here. I don't know, maybe this walkman can be used as a parts donor or something, because it's very simplistic, but at the same time this motor is not just your simple one hand low motor, right? It's a relatively decent motor. I'm surprised, honestly. And looks like if you want to replace the belt, it's a bit of a challenge here, because you have to like take the main board out. Yeah, oh yeah, this belt is Golensky. Yeah, it's very floppy. Okay, let me find the belt. Obviously I don't have that thin proper belt, but I have maybe some Chinesian belts which will work. Let me find them. Alright, I found some kind of belt. Let me see if it's more or less... because could be a problem with those belts, that they are slightly thicker, but looks like it's clearing here properly, right? It's not touching anything, so it's clearing here properly. This belt is substantially thinner, but at the same time it's super stretched up, so I don't really know what was the original length. So the problem is this, so I call Chinese belts, because they are super irregular thickness. They're just all over the shop. But like, I mean, we will try. Then we measure the belt and maybe we'll order the good one. But for now, just to confirm the operation, we will use this. Some of the belts like this, for example, see, it's like it looks like it chewed up. Like, that's definitely not gonna work. Maybe just better throw it away. Yeah, go away. Okay, that's we didn't unsolder anything, desolder, so let's just put the battery back in. And try, let's secure it slightly. I don't know what's going on here. Ah, there is a little latch. Okay, there is a button here which engages when you start the motor. Okay, so let's some batteries. Where are the other craptacular batteries? Oh, they're out here. Alright, seems like it's rolling. Okay. For this beautiful Walkman, deserved the best cassette ever. Garavi Sokak. Okay, looks like it's rolling. And Garavi Sokak is playing. Very good. Let me turn cassette around to hear some. Maybe we can take a look at the speed, because it sounds to me like it's a bit of on a slower side. Right, so before we're gonna put anything, gonna use our demagnetizing cassette. So this is the Maxell head demagnetizer. Not sure if I'm gonna see it. Alright, I think it did something. I hope it demagnetized the thing. Let's do it again. Yep. I see the light, I see the click. Okay, now it would be nice to probably clean the head and pinch roller, but is it possible to do it somehow? Yeah, it's very hard to access, right? Because it'd be nice to have this. I don't know how easy it is to take out. Anyways, so cleaning we can do. So again, before putting like calibration cassette, I still want to clean this up. So that's a good idea. Head seems to be not that dirty. Pinch roller and the capstan seems to be not dirty as well, so yeah, maybe it was not even used much, but actually it is dirty. Nah, take my word back. I'm gonna clean up around here. Yeah, I see it's really hard to show you because it's all hidden by this stupid lid, which is non-removable. Okay, let's use more alcohol. Okay, let me pour this thing off. You know what? Probably it's you can just put it back. Ah, no, no, I cannot. Aha. So holes for the. So there is a hole here for the calibration, for motor speed calibration. But if you already have it open, you can just use better batteries. Hello? Off. Yeah, it actually has pretty good torque now. Not too bad. All right. Okay, looks like it's nice and clean. Now we can try our calibration cassette. So first let's put the cassette, then put these guys, take our multimeter, hertz, probes, start. Okay, cassette is in, so let's take a multimeter in the hertz mode. Okay, then I have this 3.5mm jack here. Apparently need to use norm, not AVLS, because it's gonna limit the level. Let's start it and see what we got. Oh, it's like all over the shop. Oh. Well, that's not what we need to use. Okay, let's use this one. Let's try to. Why is it all over the shop? I have no idea. Okay, let's just settle it like this. What will be the frequency? It's like this. If I like hold it. Wow, this thing is super sensitive. Anyway, I think I'm not gonna touch it. I think it's okay. Okay, so that's it. That's good. Okay, let's stop it. So the only what we need to do is calibrate the speed, and speed seems to be okay. Let's not massage anymore my precious calibration cassette. Let's remove the multimeter. And now time to assemble everything back in original shape. Yeah, Gary socket goes. So yeah, those three clips, they were actually protruding through here, so that has to be put back on. I guess first putting probably back together will be super easy because it just like, I mean, it just snaps, you know. All right. Probably with this Chinese belt, the wow and flutter is like horrendous, but here we are. This little walkman. Let's remove this sticker, whatever it's doing here, I don't know. Of course, it's gonna leave this crap, so I'm gonna clean it up later. Well guys, that was quick and small video where we repaired this nice and small Walkman. Yes, it is in a little bit in beat up shape, but I think it's still pretty good. And someone would use it probably to listen to cassettes. Well, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Stay safe and ciao.